The 54 Chevy that E-Dog painted, the orange one.
I love flames, so
Dude.
you know me.
But tell me that car is not gorgeous to
It is.
begin with.
A 54 is same thing with the Oldsmobile. They started with a winner, and then they topped it off with a beautiful paint job.
Now,
Like, how do you go wrong?
That car's chopped, right? Because it looks like
I think it has a mild chop.
because it doesn't. Those cars usually have a big bubbly roof, and that looks like it has like what you think 2 inches of a chop.
I don't know, but probably something like that, 2 or 3 inches.
That's another artist. He ended up painting, and it's funny. The meth buggy was also all Tropical Glitz products. SPI Euroclear, the 4-to-1-to-1, because they've been using SPI for a long time, but they were using the other SPI. I forgot which
Production?
one. Yeah, he used production, and they used the compliant VOC one, and then they were using this one. That's the higher VOC, and they're like, yo, night and day.
Yeah.
And then he loved the Euroclear, and then Eric did this 54. Same thing. All our paint, our candies.
It's pretty.
The car looks timeless.
Yeah, it does. That car, you open up a magazine 20 years from now, and it'll still
glows,
look good.
bro.
Yeah. It'll still match.
I forgot what award he won on that one, but that's E-Dog Customs. He's out of LA. You can check him out on Instagram. He's also one of our Tropical Glitz Dream Team. And then he did his pickup truck. Did you see the truck?
The C10?
The C10,
Yeah,
right?
I saw pictures of it.
So that's crazy. That truck, we were talking about it. Eric says he's been working on that for 8 years. He goes, bro, you don't remember I started using this stuff 8 years ago when I was using your products before I was sponsored. I'm like, I thought you finished that truck and you sold it. He goes, no, bro, I put it on the side and I worked on customer cars and just life. You know, he got caught up with life.
Yeah, that's how it is when you have a shop. You can never have your car done.
He's a full-time plumber. His dad's been running a plumbing business since like the 60s or something.
Right.
And he does this because he likes the cars more. He just finished the truck. The truck is phenomenal. You walk around the car, and it's just not metal flake. It's like metal flake and then pearls, and he has like this inner layer of pearls. He used a lot of pearls, and you see a pearl fade here, and you're looking around. Every time you look, you find something different on the car. And I think it was dope. And then he did like an access panel, like in the bed. Yeah. I got it on video. And the whole bottom of the access panel is like he resined a Mexican blanket.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's actually really dope, dude.
Very cool.
And I forgot what he got, bro. It's hard to keep track of what people got, but the car was greater than one award.